Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Equinox by John Coltrane. Really cool song. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. For those who don't know the song, that's how the thing sounds. And a little improvisation. And so on. The song is basically a minor blues in C minor, as in the real book. But it's a Coltrane tune, and has one thing which makes it very special. It's written in 4/4, but basically it's a 3/4 and a 5/4 because of this pattern, you know. Let me quick this one here. When you count this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, there's a 3/4 and a 5/4, which makes it a little bit tricky to play, but you can hold yourself on the rhythm pattern. That's why we first check out the rhythm guitar, then the melody, and then a little bit the improvisation, but not too much, because you know improvisation is a whole topic on its own. But I'm gonna show you a few things which you need to know about the improvisation, or which you can do with the improvisation. You know, improvisation in jazz is always a thing which you can discuss for hours. So let's get started. Okay, the song is in C minor, and we're doing a rhythm guitar which follows the melody. So we have here the C minor, 3rd fret, and I consider finger picking, but you can also do with a pick, whatever you like. So we have C minor 7, 3rd fret, 1st fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So we switch from C minor 7 to this C minor 7, which follows the melody, this one here. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2. So we have a figure, this figure, so that's a figure of 3/4. It's a 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, so we have a 3/4 and a 5/4. And that's basically the trick in this tune, and that's why it's probably called Equinox, because it really circles around. It's written in 4/4, but it's a 3/4 plus a 5/4, which is defined through the pattern which goes through the whole song. And it's this one here, okay? So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here this bass figure. And then when it goes to F, 3, 2 to F minus 7. F minus 7, 3rd fret, 1st fret, 4th fret with the pinky. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and then back. So, and then we go to A flat 13, 4, 4, 5, 6, to G7, flat 13, and then the figure again. So let's play the whole thing with a backing track. Yo. One. Oops, I missed the entry. Sorry guys, I have a headache today. So that's the rhythm guitar. Yeah, sorry, I have migraine today. It's a bit foggy in my brain, but that's basically how it's played. Good. So that was the rhythm guitar. Now let's check out the melody. The melody seems to be really easy, but it isn't, because the rhythm is really tricky. And we are in C minor, so we are playing the thing in basically in the C minor scale. This one here. But for the improvisation later, we are not using only that scale, okay? So now the melody is really, so 1, 2, or you can even track it as a pentatonic theme. It's really simple, but as I said, the rhythm is really tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have. Let me quickly zoom in a little bit more. Let us see more precise what I'm doing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. That's basically the melody. It's really simple, but I mean you can learn it with counting, but honestly with counting it doesn't work. For me at least, I do it out of the guts. Listen to the tune 1, 2, 3, 4 times and then go for it. Okay, I'm gonna play it for you. Of the whole thing with the counting is, I mean you can count it on 4, but the pattern which is played, the 3, 4, 5, 4 pattern, distracts you from that. So the best, from my opinion, is just learn it by heart and just play it and get into the vibe of it. Because when you count it, you can count it, of course, and then you're sure you're really on the thing. But the best is really just to play it through. I'm gonna play once again. Whoopsie, I just missed it. 1, 2, 3. So that was the melody. I was doing sight reading here. It's really tricky. The best is to just listen to the tune a few times till you get the feel for it, because somehow it's, you know, it's the whole thing circles around to these 3, 4, 5 horns. Yeah. So now let's get to the improvisation. Since it's a minor blues, I would recommend that you use the Dorian mode on C minor and the Dorian mode on F minor. Okay? How do you do that? The basic note of Dorian in C minor is here the A. You focus on the A and on the D here. And then you get a really nice vibe. And you can really circle around this momentum of the rhythm. Stuff like that. And on the F minor, we have F Dorian. You can also circle on here the G, and I would not take the D, I would take the B flat. On the A flat 7 or 13, you can play C blues, because here the G flat is the flat 7 of the A flat, and this really comes in proper. And on the G7 we play C harmonic minor. This one here, or G altered, that would be. You can do that, or of course on the A flat you play Lydian flat 7, that will be this here. But it's basically, if you play C blues, you're pretty much on go on that one. But and G altered. So let's give it a try. Honestly, I just learned this song like a half an hour ago. We see how it works. So we focus here on the A. Now goes to F. Works really nice. Try to make your solo spacey. And I'm quickly going to show you the two scales which you probably don't know. A flat, Lydian flat 5, Lydian flat 7, this one here. Or here. See? And G altered here. Or here. They really work nicely, and I would recommend these two modes there because they give this really lyric vibe on the whole song. Yo, and then you put the whole thing together, and then it's gonna sound cool. Yo guys, this was Equinox by John Coltrane. As I said, I just learned this song half an hour ago, and it looked so easy on the paper, but it's really demanding because of this 3-4-5-4 thing. Because it's really unusual when you go for 3-4, you just can do it for one bar. And then you go for the 5-4, or you can do, you can play 2 bars 3-4, and then you have to do a 2-4 bar additional. You can also do it that way. That's what I do. I do 2 3-4s and then 2 1-2-4, and then this way you get through, but only on the first part. When you come to the A flat, you quickly switch back, but you cannot really do it since you only have these 2 bars. So you're still in this vibe, and that's what makes the song so special. But that's also the big challenge of this song. And to really get the total vibe of the whole song, honestly, you need to play this a few weeks to really get this 3-4-5-4 thing going on. Just out of your intuition. And this thing is I underestimated it a little bit, honestly, and don't underestimate it. You shouldn't underestimate this tune. It looks so simple, it's so slow, but it's so tricky. But however, this is a good spot to start with the song. If you want to download the rhythm, melody plus the chords, which I showed to you, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, as well as the backing track, where I play piano and bass. And normally I do piano first take, but on this one I needed 3 rows till I got this 3-4-5-4 thing going on. But it's really, I love it, and I will play more, and probably later on in a few weeks. I really can do cool stuff on this. It's really wonderful. It gives this vibe of being somewhere, never stop somewhere. That's probably why it's named Equinox, because you're moving around the things all the time and you're never on the point, and it's really cool. I love it. One more to say. As I already said, if you want to download the stuff, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy plus the backing track. Please join there. You can download with premium membership or with a free member account. You can join the community. And if you need further assistance, professional one with online lessons to get deeper into the topic, you can book private online lessons there. Good. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye for today, and jazz on.